welcome back. So this is the 10th day of the 12 days. No, it's not. No, we're not doing number 10. Sorry, this is the 11th day, the 12 days of Christmas. So it's nearly over now. I can't believe it. But I've had loads of fun with the videos that I've managed to do. And again, I'm really sorry that I couldn't do the 10th day. I won't explain again why, because if you've watched my other videos you understand, and my post as well if you've seen that. So that's why I couldn't do video 10, because of that reason. So yeah, today is day 11 and this is going to be a 2-part project because, well, it's going to take a day. Well, it's going to take a while to get these done because I've only got this one coaster. So I thought to myself, I'll probably do 2 of them on camera and do another 2 off camera, because I've been wanting to do winter theme. I've been wanting to do some winter theme coasters for the house and I've not got around to doing it yet, but now I have, and I really like this coaster that Resiners gave me to play with. And if you haven't seen that video, I will put it up on a tab. So yeah, I really liked this coaster mould, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And the other thing I wanted to use were these beautiful Christmas scenes. Probably not these ones because they're a bit too small, but these bigger ones definitely will be getting used, because look how pretty those are. Aren't they gorgeous? And they've all got robins in them, and I love robins. Robins, I don't know if this is like everywhere, but the saying is if a robin comes to visit, a loved one is not far away. And I always see robins around my area and my garden, and it just makes me think of my granddad, and I love these birds. They are beautiful birds, and yeah, they just shout Christmas. I mean, look at this. They are gorgeous, aren't they? And you know what? These churches remind me of the churches in where I live, so it kind of just links in with everything, and I just really like them. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Tomorrow, most likely. So just give me a minute. I'll get all my equipment on. PPE on, I should say. I'll get some resin mixed up and we'll crack on with this. I am using today Dorset Blue and Almost Midnight from Create and Bloom. I love Create and Bloom's colours that I've bought, and I can't seem to stop using them. These 2 have got to be some of my favourites, so yeah, we're going to be using those today. So just give me 2 minutes, let me get my resin mixed up, and I'll bring you back for the pouring, because we're going to be doing another dirty pour today, because I seem to like the dirty pours at the moment. Just hope it works. So 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really sorry about the mess on my desk, but I've been doing a lot of projects recently. Let's see how this one looks. I've already demolded this one and I've added a little sticker in there. Okay, it's coming out nicely. Look at that little bit of crackle effect there. It's really pretty. And the edges are really pretty as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decide which of these stickers I'm going to be using and pop it on there and do a top coat. I quite like that one. I'm going to have to trim it down just slightly unless I use one of the smaller ones. I do quite like that one. Let me trim that down a little bit, see how it looks. It is very early in the morning, on the 11th day. I should have really had my video out before now, but unfortunately, as you know, I've not been well, so I've been a bit behind on getting my videos out. But next week I'm going to be back to normal video times and video days, and I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who's taken part in this. It has been a hard one, but it's been a nice challenge. Right, just chop these off. I think that might be a bit too small. I'm trying to decide whether a bigger one would be better or a smaller one would be better. I'm sorry I'm doing this out of frame, but I don't have my glasses on right now, so I've got to do it quite close to me. I'm having another quite bad day. I've pulled my back out somehow, so I'm in a little bit of pain with my lower back, but you guys don't need to hear my belly aching about that. Do a bit more trimming and then we'll see how it looks. Just need to do a bit more. I'll come back to you when I've got it to size, guys. Okay, I think I've got that to size now. So let's see if I can get it on there. I need to get it on as straight as I can, so I might just... I don't actually know if this is a DTF sticker or not. I think it might just be a sticker. Still though, I want to make sure it's straight. It's not quite right. Hang on. It would be better if I could stand up, but I can't right now. I think actually what would be better is, hang on a minute, let me stick it back down and its backing. We'll line it up right, then, oh, right, hang on a minute. There we go, that's better. Got stuck. At least I think it's better. There's a bit of overhang there. Might just cut that a little bit off there. It's hard to get these stickers like completely right. I do have a blank and maybe I should have used that, but it's not too bad. Really should have my glasses on though. Yeah, it's not completely perfect, but what do you think? Isn't that pretty? I still need to trim this bit up. It's not completely straight, but I think it's really pretty. So that's the end of the video now, guys, for today. Now, because I've finished one coaster, well, nearly finished, I need to top coat it, but because I've finished one coaster, I think you might know what the other coasters are going to look like. So I won't probably do another one for tomorrow. I'll do something else. So yeah, this is the end of the video now, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and yeah, stay for the end results and the pictures. I will be doing more of these, but I think I'll do them off camera, because yeah, you've seen me do it now, so I might do a try or something actually. We'll see. So yeah, I just want to thank all of my subscribers for subscribing. That really means a lot to me. And I want to thank everyone for viewing my video. That also means a lot to me. If you don't mind, just give this video a like and comment, because that'll get my video out to other people who haven't seen it yet, and it really does mean a lot to me if you do that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, because these are the type of makes that we tend to do, and if you subscribe you won't miss any videos and you'll get notificated, I can't talk, for the next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It is only a click away and it is free. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow, guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and oh, it's not the weekend yet, is it? Yeah, I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.